To believe is to live with doubt. That's the rule they gave me. You cannot hold faith and certainty in the same hand. Absurd. And that's why love is the cruelest kind of stupid. I once believed that the truth shows itself, that when love is obvious, questions lie. But maybe that was only my belief talking.
Ana, alam mo naman na religious ako eh.
Eh, hindi nga ako naniniwala dyan eh. Bakit palagi pinapamukha sa akin na mali ako?
Feel ko mali nagmamahalan kami dahil hindi siya naniniwala sa paniniwalaan ko.
You didn't do anything wrong, Hannah. Walang mali sa nararamdaman mo ngayon about religion.
Pero sana, you don't let yourself drift away from the Lord just because of one inconvenience. It's not that you don't believe in God. You've just lost sight of what faith really means.
Ipagkakatiwala. I will always love you how I do.
It's been well for me na lang.
Let go of a prayer for you.
Hindi ko na siya sinisisi ngayon for thinking that way.
Just a
Ayun
sweet
talaga
word.
paniniwala niya eh.
The table is
Hindi mo
prepared
lahat.
for you.
Hindi ako kinuha sa perspective niya. Bakit? Ano yung perspective?
Love isn't about right or wrong. It's about who holds you and who you choose to hold. Love isn't a cage. It's freedom. And right
Wishing
now,
you
I'm
Godspeed.
so in love. Safe,
Glory.
free,
There
with
will
God.
be mountains you won't move. Still, I'll always be there for you. How I do. I let go of my claim on you. It's a free world. You look down on where you came from sometimes, but you'll have this place to call on.